Hello, my name is Damon, and the purpose of my video is to start a GoFundMe. Now, first off, let me give a little background on who I am. I'm a married man, father of three. I've worked my whole life. Many of those years, I worked two jobs because I like to see my family, provide them with the things that, I could afford to the best of my ability. Uh, I worked with children in the child welfare system. I was the lead caseworker, adoption specialist at a child welfare agency, and I also sold real estate for Remax, and I absolutely, enjoyed selling real estate, and also, finding children permanent loving homes, not just a permanent home, a permanent loving home. So both jobs were very, very, very stressful. But me, I thought I was Superman. I thought I could just power through because I wasn't going to let anything get in the way of me achieving, what it was that I thought my family deserved. Uh, I was active in my community. I served on I was the chairman of the board, Black Chamber of Commerce. I was in the NAACP as the housing chair. I starred in a play in 2005. I went to Africa in 2005. No, no, no. The play was 2008. I went to Africa in 2005. But I was just a busy person. There was no way around it, and I was happy with my life. I really was. I was happy. I was content. I always had a sense of achievement. I always had something going on that made me feel good about myself. I made my family proud. I really did. Oh, about 2008, um, I was rehearsing for a play that we put on in our civic center where I live, and I started to, not feel well, and eventually it progressed to where I would just get sicker and sicker and weaker and weaker, and before you know it, by 2010, I was too sick to work. It was difficult climbing stairs. It was just hell on earth. You see, a man that does not work is a man that is without purpose. And a man that cannot provide for his family, that's a family without a destiny. And I feel as though getting sick, I lost everything that made me me. Hard work, life of achievement, family man, community man, businessman, representative of my agency. My list of accolades go on and on and on and on. And I only bring that up to say that throughout the course of getting to know me, if you think that I am somebody that you may want to invest in, I would greatly appreciate any gift of love that you may want to um, give to me. You're not investing in a criminal. You're not investing in somebody who just didn't live a for lack of a better phrase, a purpose-driven life, because that's what I lived. Um, so, once again, in the course of getting sick, you lose your purpose. Once you lose your purpose, you start to lose belongings. You lose your house, You lose your car. You lose all of those relationships that made you feel good and made you feel special. All of a sudden they're all gone. Any standing, any status that you have, it's just gone. I went from a social circle that was as wide as however you want it to be to a social circle now of this. Not the life I was looking for, but that's the cards I'm dealt now. Another point in this video is, as you can see right now, I'm on day one in another nursing home. I don't know how many more of these nursing homes that I can go through. I don't know how many more chances that I have to rebound, but I know one thing. I know I have this chance and this opportunity to make a difference, to try to take back something that I feel was snatched away from me by the way of my illness. I am bedbound. My legs are weak. I have difficulty standing, can't walk, everything that you take for granted in life, I can't do right now. My thing is I believe, and I always pray the prayer of Samson. Dear Lord, if you strengthen me one more time, I will collapse the pillars. Well, I will start to relive a purpose-driven life. So I'm going to take you along the journey with me. I'll let you see how I progress throughout therapy. I'll let you see the good, the bad, and the ugly. But I am banking on that I will get enough love and motivation and inspiration from the crowd there, from people just like you, that I and you will know I helped this man rebound. And along the way, hopefully, I'll start to grow my little social circle again with friends that I've made that watched this GoFundMe video. So there's a lot more to learn about me, but I'm just giving you an overview of myself right now and a snapshot of the person that I was. Together, we can hopefully achieve the person I'm supposed to be in the future to the best of my ability. So thank you for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.